Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky, and this is my review for BoxyCharm's BoxyLuxe March 2021. I do apologize, I'm a wee bit late. Now, if you're new to BoxyCharm, there's three different boxes. There's your base box, which is $25 per month, and you receive 5 items. Out of the 5, you're able to select one item that you definitely want, so that's your one choice item. Then there's the premium box, which is $35 per month, and you receive, I believe it's 6 items in that particular box. And there's now 2. You're able to select 2 items in your choice box. And then there's Luxe, which is a quarterly box. That's $49.95, so it's an upgrade to your base box if you elect to, receive the Luxe box, or you can just, not go with it at all. And in that box is a lifestyle box. It's 8 plus items, and you receive it, I believe it's March, June, September, and December for BoxyLuxe. So let's get into the box and see what we have here. Now, my very first item is the hot tool. I believe it's Soleil. Let me show you the packaging here. I've always wanted one of these little guys, and when I saw that this was an option, I was really happy. Here's the packaging. It's by Soleil, and it's a hairbrush. It's called, let's see here, Mini Heat Brush. The Soleil Mini Heat Brush. It has an MSRP of $150. So let me show you guys my brush. It comes in this little pouch also. See here. Yikes. So there's the pouch, drawstrings, and here's my brush. I've actually played with it a little bit, and you have, on and off buttons, and I probably should have had something to demo with, but nice travel size, compact, and that's my little, again, Soleil Mini Heat brush that I received in my box, $150 for that. So let's see what else we have. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is BB Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette. It has an MSRP of $50. So let's see. Here's the palette. Oh, let me guys show you the cover too. You might want to see that. Actually, it's pretty much the same thing. And here's the sleeve that it protects it. And then here's the actual palette. So let's open this up and see what kind of goodies we have in here. Ooh, I don't want to blind you. Okay. Looks like there's about 20 eyeshadows in this particular palette. Yeah, they look like they're most. Let me take this sleeve off. Let's try this again. It's that glare. Okay. Let's see. Let me get a Q-tip. Looks like there's a lot of shimmers in here. There's a few mattes, but mostly shimmers. Let's see. This is Andrea that I'm swatching on my skin. If you guys can see that, let me bring it in a little closer. It's kind of like a olive. I'll use some of the colors. Some of them I don't really like too much, but I'm sure this will be a great palette for someone. They're just not really my colors that I'm all happy about, but it's okay because it's still a great box. So let's see what we have next. Oh, okay. Let's see. This is Glow Recipe, and this is a serum. Let's see, let me get it out of the box. Oh, how pretty. Pretty pink. Let's see here. Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. A concentrated formula, your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. Okay, so here it is. And let's see how we open this. Oh, I wonder, is mine broken? Look at that. Like the applicator it's like half of it is there. See, I don't know. That's odd. But see, well, let me bring it. Look at that. How am I supposed to get the serum out of the bottle? It's very short. It looks broken. I'm gonna have to reach out to BoxyCharm regarding that, because that might be a small problem. That serum, the Glow Recipe, is $42. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Da-da-da. Okay, this was my choice item. Well, one of my choices, because this was Luxe. This is Fenty Beauty. Let me show you the packaging. Or, yeah, Fenty Beauty. And I selected shade, I think it was 450 that I received. Let's see. Yeah, 450. Let me show you guys. It's 1 ounce, I believe. Let's see here. Fenty Long Wearing Lightest Air Foundation gives skin an instant smooth, pore diffuse, shine-free finish. It's also oil-free, so for you gals that need an oil-free foundation, this is one here. And let's see what this looks like. It has a pump, which is kind of nice. I like NARS a lot, but with NARS, you have to actually purchase the pump separately. But with this, the pump already is there. Also at Lancome, they give you a pump with the product. Okay, so this is the 450. Let me put more on so you can see what it looks like on me. Let me bring this in a little bit more. So that's Fenty Beauty, the foundation. You get a pretty bottle, kind of like frosted, and a nice pump applicator, which is great. So let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is by, oh, look at the pretty package. This is Rose and Quartz. It's the brand. And this is a hair mask. And we're looking at 8 fluid ounces. Okay, and let's see. It says, your touchstone of hair products. The Rose and Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs with its 0 sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens. Okay, so it's really healthy. It says it's suitable for all hair types, and it's safe to use, you know, if you have a chemical treatment. It's vegan and cruelty certified, and it's made in the U.S. So let's give this a whiff. Let's see. Oh, it smells divine, and it smells really good. So that's the consistency, and you can see there. Man, it smells good. Oh, it smells like cake to me. Maybe I'm hungry. Who knows? But this is the Rose, again, the Rose and Quartz hair mask. So that's a good deal. And let's talk about the cost. Okay. That's $31. And you know what? Forgive me, but I think I misquoting the price on the foundation, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. That has an MSRP of $36, in case I missed that. So you'll know. Yeah, $36 on the foundation and $31 on the hair mask. Okay. And let's see here. We have here. Okay, I covered that with you guys. Okay. This is cute. This is Beauty Bakery. Okay, look how cute. It's shaped a little egg carton. And let's open this up here and see what we have. Which I think most of you guys already know because other folks have reviewed their boxes. But this is nice because one is very cute. These are the beauty blenders, and they're individually sealed, and you receive 6 of them just in time for Easter. And let's see what it says here. Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. Okay, their MSRP is $18, And it's nice to have some additional little blenders, and it's very reasonable too. You can pay this much for one. Here we have a total of 6, and it's a really cute concept. They actually have them in an egg carton. Again, that is Beauty Bakery. Let me show you their pretty packaging. Okay, so those guys. Now let's see here. Okay, this is Dominique Cosmetics. Let's open this up because this is supposed to be, I believe, a liner. Let's see what the card says. Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Filled and Defined Lip Liner. Define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Okay, narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. So it says here, the MSRP is $18, and this is Dominique Cosmetics. And let's take a look at, and what is that? What shade do I have? What does it even say? Is it Love Letter? Okay, well, let me at least swipe it. And let me show you this little shape. I don't know if it's rolled out enough where you can see it. But anywho, let me try to swipe here. Bring it in. I can kind of get, that's a pretty color. It's very pretty. And this is $18 for this guy, for the lip liner. And let's see here. I don't see what I'm looking for. Okay, well, it's a lovely liner nevertheless, and I'm sure I'll find some kind of way to use that. Now let's see here. Last but not least, this is pretty. It's gold. Let's see. This is AMAamma Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Gold Lip Plumping Mask. This 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Okay, and it says here to expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. Okay, and the MSRP on this is $43. Let's take a peek at this. Ooh, pretty. Wow, look at this. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Very pretty. Well, I think it smells kind of minty. Yeah, I'd say so. Kind of minty. So let's see here. I said it was $42, and I think that's about it. So let's tally up all of my goodies that I have here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it looks like my box came to $387 worth of goodies for the month of March. And you know what? Duh me. This is the card for the month of March. I'm all backwards. Oh dear. As you can see, the St. Patty's theme. Let me bring it in. It's really cute. And that's everything. I don't think I've missed anything. I think I've gotten everything. So hopefully this was, again, it's a little late. I do apologize. April will be on time for sure. Lord's willing, April will be on time. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd be so kind to, rate, share, subscribe to my little channel, and I'll see you next month. Well, this month rather, in April when my box comes in. And thank you for watching. Take care.